Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to unblock contact number. Friends, you have blocked number and then by mistake you have blocked any contact number on your device. So how to unblock contact number today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to unblock contact number on oppo phone device. Friends, open your phone, dial setting friends. So we will on and friends click on your friend two dots. Click here two dots. Friends, two dot option friends, click here. Friends, click on setting. And friends, you can see guys your settings. So friends, you want to on here friend flash on call setting. Friends, you can see guys call recording is here. You want to check, so you can check from here friends. So friends, you want to on call recording friends, you can on your call recording from here. So friends, click your contact number and friends, which number friends you have blocked. Friends, you can search here direct and friends you can check. So I have blocked this contact number and friends I will click on two dots. Friends, you can see remove from block list. So friends, I can unblock from here this contact number. After unblock friends, now I can call, text messages I can send. And friends, you want to add this contact number, so you can edit contact number. Friends, example guys, I will search here, I will set here number. Friends, you want to save photo on this number, so friends you can select photo and friends you can save photo. Example guys, this is photo and guys I will select, and friends I will save this photo on this contact number. Friends, you can see contact number photo will save. So like that friends, which number friends you have blocked friends you can check here. And friends, I have blocked one more number guys on my blacklist, this number. So guys I will unblock it also. Friends, you can see my contact friend, this number is also I think block. Yes friends. Friends, you can see remove from block list. Friends, click here. Friends, contact number will unblock. And friends guys, now you can use, you can contact each other. Friends, you can see we have unblocked this contact number. So like that when we can unblock contact number, we can save photo. And when you don't want to use contact number, when you want to delete, so when you can delete. When you want to share this contact number, so you can share from here. And when you have save photo and when you don't want to use photo, so when direct click here and when you can delete this contact number photo also. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to remove contact number on from block list. So bye guys, thanks for watching.